Hello. For my design, I chose BMW to see the campaign they made. They usually have a standardized campaign for the presentation of their cars, more or less. And within this campaign, I see that as quality and speed. They actually al almost always present their cars with the logo, but not just the logo. It's inside a square and with another square that presents the type of car and a direct the internet page. So I will go now to explain the design of the original ad that they show. Well, here it is. I will go in more in deep right now. Here's the logo and stuff with the information. Within their presentation, they actually here they present an idea of speed and they connect it with these lines. They're actually ropes. They resemble like lights in a tunnel. Well, there's lights, but they also resemble lights. Like if the car was going so fast that they're just blurred lights that show at the sides of the car as it is moving with speed. And though this car is just not moving, they're just ropes and they they just resemble this. Uh, Also, the colors I will follow to mention that in just a second. But first, we'll see that there is this small concept of formality, of quality, that within their classic cars they show this simplicity within the message. It's sans serif font, so it's very simple. Um, they just end with a point. Faster pace again with the message of speed. Designed for driving pleasure. The idea of quality within speed. That's what a BMW is, a sports car that's classy. Now with the color, we also see the repetition within the uh, gray silver tone of color within the car and the lines. You also have this yellow and blue. Well, this yellow repeats here, but I don't see that. The yellow repeats within the lines, the blue also within the lines. These colors are more of a bright tone. They bring a message of warmth, of energy within that connecting to the message of speed that the car brings. So everything is within speed and quality. Now this is my ad. It's similar. Uh, well, the car it's facing to the other side, differently from the original ad. The logo is here. I will proceed to present the design. Well, to keep a similar thing with the letters, the text I have in context a similar message within speed, the color silver sprint, the quality delight within scheme, and it ends with the point. It's just a simple message with formality, and it's similar within the previous message. The next thing we see is the lines. Even though I don't have ropes, I use Photoshop to implant them inside at the sides of the car, giving the same idea with these thicker lines and these lines that become a lot thinner to resemble distance and also the speed of the car going towards this way. The, there's also the repetition within the colors, yellow, blue, the grayish style color that also connects with the car. And that's how we have this following the message of speed with connection to the car. There might be other uh, things within the presentation. I did not present them quite within uh, my slide design, the position of the car, but there's not too much to say within it. I just like the idea of the formality and the style. I actually thought a lot about it, and remembered I had a like for BMW for a long time. That's what I wanted to do, as we were invited to show a presentation of an original ad that some company made, and our version of the ad. And this is my version of a BMW. It follows also this idea of the logo. I even have the name of the car here. You might not be able to notice it, but I followed the rules that they input in their style of presentation of the ad. So this is it. Hope you like it.